Hey up bike fans, it's Will at Jordanbikes. Today I've got for sale this little bad boy. It is an Aprilia Tuono 1100. This one's an APRC factory. Absolutely gorgeous is this, draped in loads of extras. Anyway, give you some facts and figures first. 2017, 17 plate. This bike is absolutely mega. 7,628 miles it's done. As standard, you get anti-wheelie control, power modes, you've got pit lane limiter, you've got loads of electronics, you've got cruise control on these as well. Absolutely mega bikes. V4 engine, you got the Acro on there, you got your tail tight, it's got some aftermarket LED indicators, you've got loads of carbon side infills there, just on the yoga front there as well, some RNG protection, some gorgeous levers. Oh my goodness, it's stunning. Even the fuel cap's been changed just to a quick one. Lean angles and stuff like that you can see on there. It tells you what throttling on, your braking and everything. And also everything hooks up to your mobile phone on these little bad boys. Anyway, I'm going to give it a start up so you can hear the noise. What an absolute beast. Sounds mega, looks even better. Anyway guys, in order to buy this, all you need to do, email into Jordanbikes or give us a call. Well actually you can't call us at the moment, so just email into us and pop onto the website. Cheers guys.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.